This happened when I was a kid, so some of the details are a little fuzzy. I used to bike to school every day, and the route to school took me past this massive cornfield. My parents were always clear about one thing: don't cut through the cornfield. I was biking home like normal when the chain on my bike popped loose. Cutting through the cornfield would save me a ton of time. At first, it was fine, but every so often, I'd look behind me. I started to pick up on a faint rustling sound coming from the corn just a little ways off the path. This time, it was a little louder. As soon as I started walking, I turned to corner. It again, standing right there in the middle of the path. It was a little louder and a little closer. He asked me if I was lost. I turned to corner, standing right there in the middle of the path. Dropped my bike and ran as fast as I could. If I was lost. I could hear him crashing through the corn behind me. I dropped my bike and ran as fast as I could.